FLOMEC's AQUAsonic meter is a reliable and durable ultrasonic water meter that will enable you to accurately track water usage in your installation. Assembled in Wichita, Kansas from PVC and engineered composites with no moving parts, they are designed for commercial and industrial users who need to reliably measure water consumption for surface water withdrawal, water tanker trucks, agricultural irrigation for high-value crops, dust control, landfill leachate, and drip irrigation. AQUAsonic meters can also help you detect leaks and blockages in your installation, allowing you to precisely control water consumption and comply with water audits. FLOMEC Sonic Series meters can be added to nearly any installation, including those drawing from ponds, wells, or reclaimed water sources. AQUAsonic meters can be mounted in socketed, flanged, BSP, or NPTTs on 1 to 4 inch pipes or on 6 to 12 inch pipes when mounted in a saddle. FLOMEC's ultrasonic technology removes the propeller and bearings of traditional flow meters, meaning there's no moving parts to wear out. This simple design also allows AQUAsonic meters to measure a wide flow range, including very low flow rates, up to 5 times lower than other flow meters, allowing you to accurately meter even low-flow drip zones. AQUAsonic flow meters are quick and easy to install and can be left in place while lines are blown out, unlike traditional propeller meters. They are also easy to remove for inspection or cleaning. With no exposed metal components to corrode, AQUAsonic meters are compatible with reclaimed, pond, or well water. FLOMEC's AQUAsonic models are available as standalone battery-powered meters with a local 6-digit display that provides you with live flow rates as well as batch and cumulative total flow through your installation, allowing you to adhere to water usage quotas and making water audits simple. AQUAsonic meters support a variety of user-configurable volume and time measurement units, as well as diagnostics and field calibration tools. FLOMEC's AQUAsonic meters are factory calibrated to measure water with high accuracy and can also be field calibrated to provide the most accurate results in your installation. All AQUAsonic meters are factory tested and calibrated and are backed by a 2-year warranty, so you can have confidence that when you choose FLOMEC meters, your operation will run smoothly for years to come. Thank you for choosing FLOMEC.